If your GMC Acadia CarPlay is freezing or refusing to connect, we can get it back online with a few simple steps. Statistically, the vast majority of CarPlay failures in GMC vehicles are caused by worn-out or non-certified Lightning cables. Let's start with a systematic diagnosis to find exactly where the communication break is happening. Performing a hard reset on both your phone and the IntelliLink system fixes almost all software-based handshake errors. Beyond the hardware, ensure Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as CarPlay cannot function without voice control permissions. Check your phone's charging port for lint and ensure the Acadia's USB fuse hasn't popped during a power surge. If you are using a third-party wireless adapter, try switching back to a wired connection to rule out adapter failure. Most owners find that a simple cable swap or system reset resolves the issue without a trip to the dealership. For stubborn issues, a total vehicle power cycle, by disconnecting the battery, can force the HMI module to reboot. You only need a few basic tools and a high-quality cable to troubleshoot this yourself at home. Remember that software handshakes fail often. Always try the forget device routine before assuming the hardware is broken. With your CarPlay back online, you can get back to your music and navigation, drive safe, and subscribe for more fixes.